Hello, one and all. Hi to everyone. I am Kure Narayanappa, aged about 67 years, staying in Anagondalli. I am married person. My wife is Srimati Ratnamma. Have two male children, two female children. My educational qualification is SLC, completed in 1973. My routine work is cattle rearing, grazing, sheep rearing, squeeze the milk from cows and buffaloes, morning and evening supply them to the milk dairy. I am also a farmer, work in the garden fields. I grow the crops like ragi, jawar, mustard, gingerly, horse gram, cow beans, tower dal, sugar cane, paddy, groundnuts, carrot, radish, etc. I am very healthy. Every day I will get up at 4:30 a.m. and I will start my routine works. I am very glad to say that Sarthi Jalak 90.4 community radio invited me to Vignana, Kasara and Alagappa University Anubhav Senior Citizen podcast program to introduce myself. Thank you very much for everyone for lending me this golden opportunity. Namaste. Jai Hind. Jai Karnataka.